This is Chris Zubrycki with RE/MAX Fine Properties. I'm the BJJ broker and have been fighting for my clients since 2001. Today I'm in rural New River, Arizona at a unique inherited property sitting on 2 acres. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-story home with a massive 2,400 square foot workshop. The heirs did not just need someone to list the property, they needed help figuring out where to start. There were contents inside the home that needed to be organized, decisions to make about what would stay, what should go, and how to handle the cleanout process without wasting time or money. On top of that, the workshop had its own set of challenges. With a building this large, filled with tools, equipment, personal property, and years of accumulated items, the question becomes, what has value, what should be sold, and what needs to be removed? In this video, I'm going to show you how I helped guide the heirs through the property prep process, from organizing the interior of the home to coordinating cleanout and helping them think through the best way to handle the contents of the workshop. When you inherit a property, especially one with land, outbuildings, and a lot of personal property, this process can feel overwhelming. My job is to help families create a clear plan and move forward one step at a time. So this is the first entry to the main floor. And there wasn't a tremendous amount of items in the main house. They just had very large furniture. And the beneficiaries of the home lived in town. So it wasn't as hands-on because they had resources to go ahead and get the property cleaned out. We just needed help, organizing the personal property removal company to come and take everything away, deciding what stays, what leaves, what's sold, what's donated. So this property was a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-story home with a huge 6-car garage with an RV door and then a 2,400 square foot detached workshop. This is the second and third story. And you can see the furniture is big. And I've seen a lot of personal property removal companies just smash this stuff apart because they don't know how to get it downstairs. The company that I use does a great job. They don't destroy the furniture. Anything that they can donate, they donate. They try to keep everything as much out of the landfill as possible. Now we're in the detached workshop. But you can see there's years of tools in there. Welder light right there, air compressors, miscellaneous tools. This table right here was welded together by the previous owner, and everybody wanted this thing, but it weighed about 1,000 pounds, so nobody could really get it out of there, so that did stay with the house. There was a small bathroom and a shower in this little room over here. Some drill presses, saws, huge air compressor, racks of metal. Just a really cool property. This is after the personal property removal company had come in, loaded everything up, and this is when they were putting the dumpsters back up. And you can see it's super orderly. This stuff is going to be repurposed, donated. If you are dealing with an inherited property, a probate property, or a home full of personal belongings and have no idea where to start, you do not have to figure it out alone. Sometimes the biggest challenge is not selling the house. It's getting the property ready to sell. Whether the home needs organizing, clean-out coordination, contractor referrals, estate sale guidance, or help deciding what should be done before listing, I can help build you a step-by-step plan. I work with heirs, personal representatives, and families throughout Maricopa County, Arizona. If you inherited a property and need guidance before putting it on the market, reach out to me directly. This is Chris Zubrycki with RE/MAX Fine Properties. I'm the BJJ broker, and I've been fighting for my clients since 2001. Call, text, or message me today, and let's talk about the best next step for your property. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.